Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Eileen. I'm so excited today to share with you the unboxing of my Birkin 25. I picked it up from Hermes yesterday. It was an amazing day. I'm so happy to finally add this bag into my collection. I know some people just want to see the bag, so I will quickly do the unboxing first. If you are interested, watch till the end. I will share with you why I got this bag and how I got the bag. Right, are you ready? Let's get started. Guys, this is such a cutie. I mean, I've looked at it in the store, but looking at it now, it still makes me speechless. It's such a beautiful, beautiful bag. So this is in the size 25 in black color. The leather is Epsom leather and the hardware is brushed gold hardware. I'm not sure if you can see there's a horseshoe logo there. I hope it will focus. So that usually means the bag is a special order bag. I didn't place the order myself. Apparently the store is really short of bags this year, so the store manager decided to put a few special orders in just so they can offer more bags to more clients, and I was just one of the lucky ones that got offered this bag. And I cannot be happier. It's really so beautiful. I think the brushed gold hardware is so special. It really does complement the Epsom leather. It's just perfect. So the bag also comes with a lock and a key on the inside. I think a lot of people hang these as a charm on the bag. I think I'm just gonna leave that out. I'm quite happy with the way it looks just like that. I've been wanting a Birkin for a long time. When I was a young girl, I was watching Sex and the City. I remember Samantha was trying so hard to get a Birkin and they just turned her away. So I was saying to myself, if Samantha couldn't get that bag, who will? So I started looking into Birkins and I just fell in love. So I was telling myself, one day when I make my own money, if I do well enough for myself, I will get myself a Birkin, and that's what I did. In terms of the size, I went for the size 25. Some people actually call this the baby Birkin. It's the smaller size for Birkin. I don't usually carry a lot of things when I go out for shopping or if I run errands on the weekend. So this size really is big enough for me to carry everything I need. I think the Birkin 30 is quite a popular option too. I think that is a wonderful bag for work for a lot of people. But for myself, when I go to work, it's not very glamorous. I usually have to carry a lot of things like a laptop, camera, documents, my lunch, water bottle. So I usually just carry my Longchamp with a camera bag. So as beautiful as the Birkin 30 is, I think it would be a bit too big for me to use on the weekends and a bit too small to use as a work bag. And I think the size 35 would just be too heavy for me, so I never really considered the 35. So yeah, that's why I went for the smaller size, and I can't be happier with this size. I think it's just perfect for me. In terms of getting a Birkin from the Hermes store, I don't think there's any secret to it really. I think you just really need to have a purchase history. I've heard some people say they just went to a store and they just got offered a bag. At least in the UK, I think it's highly unlikely just because the demand is so high. If that happens to you, then you must be very, very lucky. The one suggestion I would give would be work with the same person. So you don't want to get one thing from a person and then another thing from another person. You want to work with the same SA just so he or she will know your preferences, and when the bag comes along, it's easier for them to know if they should offer you the bag. Now I myself waited for about 10 months to get this Birkin. So in the beginning of the year, my SA offered to get me a Birkin, and I told her I would only want it in the size 25, but in terms of colour, I am quite flexible because I already have a Kelly in black. So as long as the Birkin comes in a neutral colour, I will be quite happy to take it. So along the way, she kindly offered me quite a few options, and I said no to all of them. But when this bag comes along, I just jump on it. She said to me, I know you already have a Kelly in black, so I'm not sure if you want a black Birkin. And I said to her, I would love a black Birkin. So yeah, I'm so happy to have this in my collection. I'm sure I'll use this bag a lot. So again, I waited about 10 months to get the bag. I think you'll be waiting even longer if you only want a specific colour or hardware or leather or size. This year I've actually sold quite a few bags just so I can make this big purchase without digging too much into my savings. So I think I'll make a video next time to talk about the bags that I've sold. So if you are interested, subscribe to my channel just so you don't miss any videos. I want to thank you so much for watching and have a good day.